So you might wonder how we can use AI to solve the game of Clue. Well, first we need to understand how we store information in this AI. And to do that, we're going to use something called a tuple, which is just a set of two things. Here it is the tuple of a player and a card. Now, a player is something like P1 or P2, like the people in the game. And also things like the envelope and the common cards, basically anywhere where a card can be held. Then the cards themselves are things like plum, wrench, garage, scarlet, dagger, anything like that. Now we need a meaning for this tuple. So if I say P1 plum, what does that even mean, right? Well, if it's true, we can say that that means that P1 must have plum. And on the other side, if we say it's false, that means P1 cannot have plum. It's physically impossible for P1 to have plum. Then we can assign labels to these tuples. Here I just use the symbol A and B. Now let's think of combinations of these symbols. So something like A or B. What does that mean? That means P1 has plum or P1 has wrench. Now it could be both because this is not one and only one. However, it means that P1 must have at least one of those two cards. If we say A and B, on the other hand, that means P1 must have plum and P1 must have wrench. And that's how we store information. Stay tuned next time to see how we actually use it.